na maraming nagpapabaptize. Kasi sige, baptize natin sila, pero hindi na natin sila iaahon. Papatayin natin sila. And so Felix Manz became the first martyr in 1927. In 1929, Imperial Diet of Speyer declared Anabaptism punishable by death across the empire. The result, 4,000 to 5,000 Anabaptists were executed. Dami sa kanilang namatay, and again, bumalik uli ang persecution by means of this execution. Now, the legacy, Anabaptists are first modern Christians to preach genuine religious liberty and church-state separation. The group influenced Baptists, Quakers, Congregationalists, and modern democratic thought. So, ito ang kanilang legacy na nagawa ng mga Anabaptists. So, from Reformation towards the Anabaptist group. And here comes the name John Calvin in the 1509. Born in France, studied law, gave him precision and logical rigor. Underwent an unexpected conversion and identified publicly with Protestantism. He said he's no longer a Catholic, he's a Protestant. And so he published the Institute of Christian Religion at the age of 26 and instantly became famous. Now, the key theological idea of John Calvin is the sovereignty of God. Now, where Luther asked, how do I